y'all, it's Vicky and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing. I had canceled Boxycharm, and then I started getting some messages from some people that do Boxycharm all the time saying that I really should go back and do another month because of the pop-up shop or add-ons was really good, so I did. And I didn't bring over what I got in the pop-ups, but one thing I got was a Vizart or Viziart palette for $12 and a Wonder Beauty palette for like $7, so they were good. So I'm gonna show you what's in this box that I got. This would have been for January, and this is Boxycharm Fresh Start. So maybe this is a fresh start for me. This is what happens with me, is I decide to cancel it, I do, and then I change my mind. So I apologize to anyone that thinks I fibbed. I didn't really fib, I did cancel it. Okay, the first thing we see is Bally Balm, Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. That's what this is. And I love a good lip balm. Let's see, does it have any color to it? Nope, it's clear. So this is more like a treatment. And it does smell like oranges and coconut. So I will enjoy that. The next thing is Dr. Brandt, which I enjoy Dr. Brandt's products. The Triple Peptide Eye Cream. So yes, most definitely I will enjoy this. I love a good eye cream. And that it has peptides in it is even better. I'm starting to get some loose skin here from where I've lost weight, so I'm trying to tighten that up some. I got loose skin on my arms where I've lost weight. In case you're joining me for the first time, I am in the middle of I'm kind of halfway in the middle of a weight loss journey. So you can check out those videos on Sundays if you want to watch any of those. My goal is between 75 and 85 pounds. So, and I'm right at 31, 32 pounds. Okay, this is the Laura Geller High Definition Glow Illuminator Duo, Heart of Gold. And that's what that looks like. I think that I had this one other time maybe, or something similar. I don't know. I may pass that along to somebody. I probably got enough highlighters. I know some people say you can't never have enough, but you can only use so many till they go bad. So, okay, this is a palette. I did peek in here. This is the Ciate, the Velvet palette, and I don't know if I'm getting some extras because I resubscribed or whatever, re-signed up. I don't know. Because I didn't watch any unboxings. If I did, I don't remember them. I hate when I can't get these things open without tearing the box. Okay, now Ciate is a brand that I've had good and bad luck with, but it's not one I regularly go out and buy. Okay, that's really pretty, but I'm probably going to pass it along to somebody else. You can see there's a lot of glare. There you go. It's beautiful, but it's got too much shimmer for me. And the shimmer that I see is not what I like. So I'm definitely going to pass that to somebody. It's beautiful though. It's beautiful. And it's not that I don't wear shimmer, it's just I only wear certain types of shimmer. Like I've got on some shimmer today from the palette that I got from Viziart is all matte, so I added the shimmer from the Going Coconuts Color Pop out. Okay, now this is the good stuff right here. I've got two things that are excellent here. This is the Pharmacy Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner with Moringa and Papaya. So I love the Pharmacy brand. It's considered a I don't like to use Clean Beauty, but it's considered one of those. And it's, you know, it's just a good brand if you've never tried it. Okay, and then this is another good brand if you've not tried it. This is the Elemis Pro Collagen Eye Revive Mask. So I've got 2 eye products in here. And I'll have to look at the ingredients of this. Now, I have found that some of the Elemis products can give me milia. So I'm not sure about that one. Now, I do have some of the products that I absolutely love, and I did pass on the moisturizer I had to a friend of mine, and she loved it. So don't think that it's just my skin sometimes cannot handle something that's really, really over moisturizing. So I'll tell you the prices now, the products that I got. The Ciate London Velvet Eyeshadow Palette is $30. The Pharmacy Deep Sweet 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner, $28. The Laura Geller High Def Glow Illuminator Duo, $33. The Dr. Brandt Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt Triple Peptide Eye Cream, $82. And the Eye Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm is $33. Now, they did not tell me how much the Elemis is. Evidently, that was something they threw in here that's not on the card. Or that was a gift for signing up, backup. I don't know. Anyway, it's not on there. So, Elemis products are what I consider luxury, so the price I feel like is going to be on up there. Now, they have some things that aren't too badly priced, but I just have a feeling that'll be on up there. I'll list it below what the price is if you want to know. And so I appreciate all of you for watching, and I know that I'm not really exciting. It's morning, and you know, I'm kind of waking up, but I do appreciate every one of you for watching. I will say this box is a good box, one of the better ones that I've had. I'm not gonna say it's the best one. The best one was October, I believe, but it is right up there. It's knocking on its door, I'll put it that way. So if you are interested in Boxycharm, I'll leave a link below. There are several different types of boxes you can get, and I happen to get the base box, but like I say, that one I'm sure was thrown in because I signed back up. Now, it may be they have a deal if you sign up, you know, at the time. They're all the time running deals where you might get an extra full-size product or whatever, so you never know. But of all the subscription boxes that I've done, Boxycharm, I feel, is the best for makeup and then some skincare. You're going to get more makeup, I think, in the long run than skincare. Now, I do believe you can specify all skincare, but I specify a little of both. So, thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back Friday with my new release video, and we've got some good things coming up this week. So, I'll talk to y'all later. Love you. Bye.